Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Tiger Garage. So, Happy New Year! So, this is the first day of 2025. 2025 na ngayon, grabe. So, yun nga, puno na naman kami. Anyway, I want to tell you guys a good news. So, starting from now, magtatanggap din kami ng home service ngayon. So, bakit? Kasi, yun nga, as you can see, lagi kami medyo puno. So I know you guys na medyo nahirapan kayo mag-book ng schedule. Siyempre, I know you guys are also busy. Mahirap kayo pumunta dito sa amin. So ngayon, kami na pupunta sa inyo. Good thing is, kakabukas lang namin. Actually, meron na nag-book na ng Tiger on Wheels. So home service ni Tiger Garage. Ano gagawin natin? Mag-i-install tayo ng battery. So this is a GS battery. Ang i-install na natin. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, it's a 2022 na Mercedes V260. Oh, as I always say, wait till you see. Let's go! So, ayan, habang tinakabit namin, nakita namin may konting mali sa wiring. So, for safety purposes, ayusin na rin namin, nalagyan din namin ng fuse para maiwasan yung masusunog na wiring. Alright, na-install na natin yung battery. So, moment of truth kung gagana to. Ayan, yan yung gusto nating marinig na tunog. So, kanina, as in dead na dead siya, walang-wala. So, konting kaalaman, most of the time, ang lifespan ng battery is only 2 years, lalo na yung kotse pag hindi masyado ginagamit. Mas madali pa siya masiraan. So, if you guys, medyo malapit na sa 2 years ang inyong battery, dapat alamin nyo, malapit na mag-goodbye yan. So, kailangan nyo na palitan in time. Kaysa sa masiraan ka somewhere sa labas, mabuti pa tong client, nasiraan siya sa bahay, pero mas mahirapan kayo pag nasiraan kayo sa labas. Baka matow pa kayo. So, ayan. We don't offer lahat ng home service, pero some of our services nag-offer na kami. Like batteries, dashcams, headlights, tapos maybe some modifications. So, if you guys are interested in this item, or this service, or any other of our item and services, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching, and let's see you next time. Goodbye!